Hello. So in this lesson we are going to make this fan rotation. Fan rotate. Sorry. So let's check in which direction? In Z. So we are going to rotate this fan by using the script. Alright. So to do that, let's create a script, a separate script, a monobehavior script. So let's rename it as fan rotator. All right. So let's assign this script to this fan one, not the parent one, the fan one. All right. So we are going to rotate in the z axis. So let's edit the script. Since as you can see, we need to rotate the fan in every frame. All right. So we need to rotate this fan continuously. So for rotating the fan continuously, we need to use the update method, not the start method. All right. So to rotate the fan or to rotate any transform, we do have a Transform.Rotate. So if we go to see Transform.Rotate Unity, so basically it shows that use Transform.Rotate to rotate the game objects in variety of ways. So if you want to rotate the game objects in variety of ways, like in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, so we can use the Transform.Rotate. The rotation is often provided the Euler angle, not the quaternion. All right. So it will rotate the game object in varieties of way. So if that's so as you can see here in this example as well, this one is rotating the cube one means the game object. All right. This one is the cube one dot transform dot rotate. All right. So it will rotate in x some angle, y angle, and z angle. Sorry, z angle, and space dot self mean, what does it mean? Let's see. The local coordinates system of the game object related to its parent, including orientation, means it is the local coordinate system. Okay, so since we do not need the update start method, so we are going to rotate in the z axis. That means Transform.Rotate. All right. So we do not need to rotate on x, we do not need to rotate on z, we need to rotate on y, and we need to rotate on z. So for that, so first let's make the serialized field serialized field private, rotation speed. Okay, so sorry, it should be like float integer anything. Okay, so rotation speed, so let's multiply it with time dot delta time to make it as frame rate independent. So this will rotate the Transform.Rotate means, in this case, since we have attached the fan rotator script to this FRB bit farm mill, so let me rename is at fan. So we have attached this fan rotator script to the fan game object. So Transform.Rotate means the transform of attached script game object. All right. So I will give the rotation, for example 50 for now. So if we play, okay, so as you can see here, this one looks so beautiful. So it also added the life to our game. So all these kinds of props and all these kinds of stops will make the game more beautiful. So thank you, see you in the next video.